Welcome! Today, we're going to explore a fundamental project selection method, the net present value, or NPV. If you've ever wondered how businesses decide whether a project is worth investing in, NPV is a key tool that answers that question. NPV is a method used to determine the value of a project by calculating the present value of all expected cash inflows and outflows over the project's lifetime. In simple terms, it tells you how much a project is worth in today's dollars. Let's break that down. Imagine you're receiving money in the future. Because of inflation and the opportunity cost of money, $1 today is worth more than $1 tomorrow. The NPV method discounts these future cash flows back to their value today using a discount rate, which is usually your required rate of return or the cost of capital. Every future cash flow is adjusted back to its present value by dividing it by 1 plus r to the power of n, where r is the discount rate and n is the number of years in the future that cash flow occurs. When you add up all these discounted values and subtract your initial investment, you get the NPV. A positive NPV means the project is expected to generate more value than its cost, while a negative NPV suggests it might not be a worthwhile investment. Let's put this into a real-world perspective. Imagine you're planning to open a new coffee shop. Suppose the initial investment for your coffee shop is $100,000. You expect the shop to generate cash inflows of $30,000 in year 1, $35,000 in year 2, $40,000 in year 3, $45,000 in year 4, and $50,000 in year 5. Your discount rate, considering factors like market risk and alternative investments, is 10%. Since the NPV is positive, approximately $47,000, this indicates that opening the coffee shop is expected to add significant value. In other words, it's a good investment based on these projections. NPV is essential because it helps businesses compare projects on a like-for-like basis. By taking into account the time value of money, managers can prioritize projects that promise the highest value over time. In summary, the net present value method provides a powerful way to assess the profitability of a project. Whether you're evaluating a new coffee shop, a tech startup, or any other venture, understanding and applying NPV can help you make informed investment decisions.